What up, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back with another one. Thank you for coming to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Today, we got a disgruntled ass customer. Yeah, I said it. Ass. Look, I get it. You having a bad day. You know, you working from home, your boss getting on your nerve, you ordering DoorDash, Uber Eats, you waiting for your food to come, and for whatever reason, you just nasty to the drivers. Enough with that, man. Enough with that. I'm tired of dealing with these customers who are just rude. If you don't like the service, if you don't like the service that we're providing, go pick up your own damn food. Seriously, this entitlement, we don't work for each customer. I know customers be thinking when we get an order, like once we get that order, like we just picking up and dropping off your order. A lot of times their orders stacked on top of each other, and we can't get to you as quickly as you think we can. You think we just get your order and that's it, and go from the restaurant to your location. But that's not the case most of the time. Most of the time, because the orders are so low in pay, Uber Eats and DoorDash stack these orders. So we have multiple orders that are picking up and getting dropped off in multiple locations. So you're not the only person that I'm picking up and dropping off for. I'm not your personal delivery driver. They gotta stop that. If you have an issue with the service that we are providing, go pick up your own food. For one, you ain't tipping me enough. You're not tipping me enough. I'm using my car. I'm using my gas. And that's another thing that a lot of customers have confused. They think that these apps pay us. Uber Eats and DoorDash, at least I'm talking food delivery apps. They don't pay us. They give us a base pay, $2, $3. They don't pay us. So I get it. They're hitting you guys with all those damn fees, which is ridiculous. But some of you think some of those fees are coming to us. It's not. They're pocketing it. We're not getting any of it. We get a little base pay. A majority of our money comes from the tip. So if we're not getting tipped, the tips aren't coming in well, we're not making any money. So that's one of the biggest misconceptions a lot of customers have, is that DoorDash and Uber Eats pay us. They don't pay us. They don't pay us at all. So they're making life harder for us. I get it, with all these fees and upcharging customers with the prices of the items and stuff. They'd be a lot different if you go on their websites compared to the DoorDash and Uber Eats websites. They're a lot higher. So that's another thing. It might be better for you guys to order from the sites directly, because DoorDash and Uber Eats is hitting your head. For real. They are hitting your head. So you may not want to use them to order your food anymore. Just go directly through the app. But yeah, man, like this entitlement with customers gotta stop. It's got to stop. I get it, but it's got to stop, because it's not. There are bad drivers. There are drivers who aren't delivering the food. There are drivers who are stealing the food. I get all that. But for the most part, there are more drivers doing the right thing than those who aren't. And those who aren't doing the right thing will be deactivated. They get deactivated. DoorDash, these apps now can track, like, if, you know, a customer didn't receive their order, who was the last driver to pick it up. They starting to get smarter with these orders, you know. But come on, man. Not all drivers are the same, and I get it, not customers are the same, but I'm running into a lot more customers who just giving me the blues. And I'm just out here trying to make a living. That's all I'm trying to do. That's all I'm trying to do, is just make a living. Let me know in the comment section if you have issues with customers too. You know, if you have issues with any customers who are disgruntled or just giving you bad, saying that you didn't deliver the order, like, leave it in the comment section if you ever had any one of those issues. So that's all I got for you guys. If you got any value from this video, support the channel, like and subscribe. It's your boy AD signing off. Gonna bring you some more heat, but for right now, I'm about to hit the streets. Peace out.